I'll just say hello to them.
I don't think you should be using that whilst riding that. I don't think you can have full control of that, can you? While you're riding on the road.
And I was just going to compliment you for not having your engine running and being on your phone. Yeah. If you want to try and nick me for being on a mobility scooter, then try.
Getting run over, do we, and causing an accident?
I'll give in. I'll give in. I'll slag you off instead of complimenting you in future. Jesus fucking Christ. What a fucking woke moron. Hi everybody, it's Fat Steve, Spiceheads Media, and welcome to the channel, folks. Morning everybody, Fat Steve, Spiceheads Media, St John Square. It's just 10 to 10. To 10 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 to 10. So it's I don't know if I've just said the date. If I didn't, I can't remember what it was. And we strayed off here at St John Square with a rough sleeper in the doorway, litter everywhere, spewing about. So we've got big queues across the road that I'm trying to not go too near, that look like dancing girls. As usual, I am to clue chuck. I'm just trying not to. No, it's just a dance competition, I think. But you can't film them close up. It's a bit dodgy. You'll get called a nonce in this town. So no, they're not calling a woman a nonce, are they? So the fountains are not running. We've got the tower in the distance. See you later, love. Have a good day. So we'll give you a bit of that tower. And I'm going to head around and do a little recce. I'm going to come round and, oh, what shall we start? We'll start down, we'll come back up Church Street after. We'll start heading down Burley Street, I think, which has got most of the cafes here. We've got the Co-op here. It's a shopping audit, by the way, and a junkie audit if we see any. And we'll see how we're going on. So the weather's quite mild. It's not blowing a gale here at the moment, and it's not too cold. We've got the Compass Cafe Bar there that I love. We've got the Pepper Mill there that's been there for donkey's years, and I think the lady from Cleveland's did a review there the other day. I'm not sure of her name. She did a nice food review there the other day. We've got, hi man, you alright? How are you? How have you been?
I like the new school.
Cheers. Do you like the sign on the back? Hang on, let me just flick round.
Yeah.
So how have you been? How are you both? How are your mates with you? Ooh, you alright, darling? How are you?
Yeah.
Good. We went to Liverpool yesterday. We had a great day.
I just want to tell Bobby, keep up with the good videos.
Yes, what we filmed yesterday were brilliant, and she was really on form. It's taken nearly a month to get her back into it, but she doesn't want her own channel yet. She just wants to build mine back up. But we had a great day, really fantastic. And then this morning she was a bit depressed again. But I think we got 4 or 8 videos out of yesterday. So we do shopping audit through the town, and then we'd filmed them last month and they were uploaded, and that they got lost with everything else. So I think we showed one where seagulls attacked her. But I said they're all gone. They're all gone. Right, I'll crack on. Nice, all the best. This is my friend from Fleetwood. Boo Witter. Is it Bo Witter? Boo Witter?
No. Tiny.
How do you pronounce it? No, your screen name on YouTube.
I'm not on YouTube.
All right. I thought it were you sometimes on YouTube. All right, man.
I just follow everybody, mate.
All right, man.
Especially Spiceheads Media, because you don't know what the sense of there.
Thank you, Chuck.
So,
See you later. Right, am I turned on? I'm not. No, I always thought you were called Bo Witter or Boo Witter. on YouTube, but he doesn't use YouTube, it's just Facebook, I think. So I was saying the Pepper Mill had a review last week from the lady at Clevedley's, I think. There's the JK's Cafe and Grill, and what's the one next to it? The Coffee Pots, I think. As we come down here, we've got News Agents, Euro Exchange, Joe Barlow, where you get all your smoking stuff, Affordable Mobility and Laptops over there. Another one of my acquaintances. Now here's the Rose and Crown, which just used to be called the Crown years ago. Them were the days. When I was 15, 16, we used to go in there. And then across the road to, what was it called? Underneath the Clifton Ale House. I think it was called the Clifton Ale House. Over here, and then down to Scamps till 2 o'clock most nights in those good old mad days. So I'm just at the end of here now. I don't know if this bit is still called Bailey Street or not. Star Sports, let's go in there and blow a few quid. Right, we've got the Leighton Rakes over the road, the Witherspoons, where I sometimes go for breakfast. And as we come across, we're heading down to the prom, and we should have a pelican crossing right in front. Oh, that's why I come this way. No, it's not. He's just making that up. He just says anything to keep people happy. Anything. Anything. So there's some people crossing now. There's 2 cars stopped for us kindly. So as we get across here, let's have a see what's happening with this tide. I've still not bumped into my YouTube friend, the old Blackpool biker, yet. So I keep saying, if you see this, get in touch with us all. We'd love to have a chat. So we're going to head down now on this lower prom and try and get a bit of this beach for you. Got a lovely shot of the tower and the wedding chapel there. Well everybody, it's still just about morning. I think it's 11:48 and I'm outside the beach house, and there's quite a few people out there. Decent, honest, hard-working, caring, respectable people spending money in the town, which is great. There's the boss man. He's not seen me. Busy, taking orders, grafting, looking after his staff. That's James, I think. So it's a pleasure to see the first decent sunny day when there's people here spending money in the town. It's really nice to see. So we're going to head round now to the comedy carpet. I was here earlier and I had to go home, and I'm back now. So that sun's out, it's quite bright as I look down towards the south. We'll try and get that tower. I don't know how well we'll get it because that sun is quite bright to the right. So I can't see what I've got there at all. I'm coming back down. So I'm zoomed back out, hopefully. There's people sat here. Looks like they're having a fish and chips or something. They're having a picnic. They're enjoying themselves in beautiful downtown Blackpool on the Promenade. It's nice to see so many people here, and so many people been able to sit out. We'll head over to the carpet. Now, what I was trying to say this morning before I had to shoot home was Bobby and me was out yesterday. We went somewhere. We made about 6, possibly 8 videos, I'm not sure, and we're trying to get back in the routine of doing a 4 o'clock video nearly every day. Now all the old stuff that we managed to keep and recover from when the channels were lost. We've been punting out about 6 p.m. and it's not been very popular, but some of them have. Now, I think the last one was today or yesterday, and apart from that there's only one other, which is an argument in Blackpool Council, and the star of that, where I call him an arsehole, we've made friends now, and I don't want to show that again if he's not happy for me to show it again. But well, last time I spoke to him, he said don't take it down, it's made me famous. So it's glad that we reached a mutual agreement. Now, last time I were in the council offices, I were up in the job centre and I were chatting, and they still have things on the wall to read barcodes, which means you are allowed to film. And in most job centre offices now, it's the unwritten rule that you can film in the job centre, but only in the public areas at the front. You can't film beyond where the staff are and where there's computer screens. Now, however, if you do catch a screen and there's data on it, you're not breaching GDPR, they're breaching it. So what I was trying to get to, and I might be able to get a good shot now because this sun is on the other side of me. Ooh, look. So I think we've got that tower there. I don't know if I've got the flag. Albert and the Lane over there, there's plenty of people outside there. So what I was trying to say is there's going to be a 4 o'clock video every day like there used to be, and some will be Bobby and me, some will be just me, and some will be just Bobby. And what I'm planning to do, the video I'm making now, which is on a Saturday, I'm going to try and get out every morning and film something, and then try and get it out that day, that next day at 10 a.m. Whether that'll work or not, I'm not quite sure. I'm filming with my left hand. I've tried a few different rigs yesterday on this scooter and I couldn't, it was just too wobbly.
Do you do YouTube?
Yeah.
I'll follow you.
Oh, thank you. So we've got a young man here. How old are you?
12.
12, he's 12, so I'm not filming him, I'm just chatting to him.
I don't mind being filmed.
I don't, if your parent says it's okay. What happens, you must understand in this crazy world, if I film you direct, even talking to you, I will get people calling me a paedophile just for talking to you. So have you got parents about?
No, I just came down here because it's nice and it's all sunny.
It's lovely and sunny today, isn't it?
Yeah, I'm going to £1 Burger. So.
Oh, I'm heading down there at some point today. I've not seen Chris yet this year.
No,
so what's your name?
Caden.
So a big shout out to Caden, one of my subscribers. Are you on the new YouTube or are you on Facebook?
I'm on both.
Well,
and TikTok.
I don't do TikTok, that's somebody faking, that's somebody stealing my stuff.
Yeah.
So I'm coming to cross the road now at this crossing where I always have to stop filming and start again. So, right, we've got a green man straight off. Now that's a miracle, folks, we never have that. So I was lying about having to stop filming and start again. So we've got notification there telling me it's 12 o'clock and I'm still rolling. Rolling. Let's go down this cycle lane that nobody uses. I think actually on a mobility scooter, I don't think we're supposed to use cycle lanes. I've never worked that out. I've never been able to get it. Now I'm heading down to see Chris, but I don't think I can get down the pavement and turn back. Let's have a little look. I'll try and get on this pavement on the right. No, it's too difficult. It's a one-way street, so I'm going to have to go round to the back and come round from the other side. As we come round and come along, Chris has got a massive queue as usual, and he's got his music playing. So I don't know if I can lock this scoot whilst oh, we're straight off with the rubettes, boys and girls. The rubettes. Oh, he's downsized a bit. Merry Christmas, Chris. How are you? So you can see Chris is busy in his box. He's changed his little arcade a bit. What's this to save on rates?
No, I can't keep up.
I didn't think it could.
It's simple, yeah. 90% to be income coming from here, yeah. 10% coming from there.
That's what I thought.
Pulled out to do stuff in there. It's better financially for me.
But electric and everything, that's great, man. That's great. Anyway, Chris is busy, so we're going to leave him. I'm glad he's busy. He's back here. How was the States? All right.
Yeah, brilliant, brilliant. It's like a million miles away now.
Right, so that's Chris, folks, at the Pound Burger Bar. Looking good, folks, and we're here today and it's nice and sunny. We've got that tower up there for you. So there is some work going on, but I don't know what at the moment. Let's have a little look what's happening. We've got a dustydigger.com and the van pulling in. There's quite a lot more of it gone than had gone before. So I'm here at Chapel Street, folks, and the demolition's going on behind me. That sun's quite relentless up front. I've just been chatting to the Blackpool lads and I'm going to spin round now. I think if I can do it with my left thumb, I'm not sure. I was just going to go and I said to the Blackpool lads, I'm not sure if I filmed anything or not. So if I hadn't, I think I have now. So we've got a big ripper downer up there. He's gone up the top and I was asking him about this machine, and apparently that monitors the sound and the environment while the demolition is going on. So we've got the Blackpool lads stood up there on the bridge. I'll give him a wave, but he can't see me, I don't think. So he was reminding me that the joke shop is due to be knocked down next week. So I'm just going to skirt down past that and have a little look. Let's wait for this car. So the joke shop's just down here on the left and it's due to come down. I don't know if they're taking this building as well, because I wasn't sure if that was listed or not. That's been done up probably 3 times in my lifetime. Turned into a hotel, flats, different things. So apparently, from what the Blackpool lads said, that's all due to come down sometime this week, I think he said. So I'm at Blackpool Central coach station. There's a coach here. There's a policeman here. They're not on the phone and they've not got their engine running. I'll just say hello to them.
I don't think you should be using that whilst riding that. I don't think you can have full control of that, can you? While you're riding on the road.
And I was just going to compliment you for not having your engine running and being on your phone. If you want to try and nick me for being on the mobility scooter, then try.
Getting run over, do we, and causing an accident?
I'll give in. I'll give in. I'll drive. I'll slag you off instead of complimenting you in future. Jesus fucking Christ! What a fucking woke moron. So we're going to have a look. Who's outside Mackie D's in this part of town? I said it's gone 12 now, so it's a bit busier. Got one of the Just Eat or delivery drivers coming out this back door. A few people sat in the window at Mackie D's. Fakey sat here. The tower up there. Come on. So Saturday afternoon, a fakey outside Mackie D's. We've got some of these religious ones up here, preaching the word of God.
We grumble and moan, but God gave us all that we have. We quarrel and malice and strife against one another, but God gave us goodness. He said, I have given you dominion over all the birds of the air and every creeping thing that creepeth on the earth. He gave us dominion.
So where are you from? Manchester. We went to Liverpool yesterday, and I wanted to go to Manny, but we weren't sure about the weather, and we knew that in Manchester there's only the Arndale that's undercover, but in Liverpool there's that Liverpool one and the docks and all around there. We had a good day. I think we ended up with 8 videos, 4 for Bobby, 4 for me. We'd done the same thing a month ago when we had 8 videos lined up, and that's the time when we got hacked a month ago and lost everything. So we're back now. We've got, I think, 450 subscribers back now. It's thank you. Right, so what's your names?
Darren and Jenny.
Darren and Jenny from Manny. All right, thank you very much. All the best. Have a good day. Just chatting to my friend on Church Street, and we're going to head up. I don't know if this singer's one that was in Liverpool yesterday or not. Catch you later, man. All the best. Thank you. I can't see where she was. We'll ask her. We don't know if it's the same one or not.
Now I've heard there was a secret one, the David Baby, please Lord, thank you for you all with the careful music to ya. It goes like this, the fall.
So a bit of entertainment here on Church Street. So we've got lots and lots of nice, interesting smells of garlic and all sorts of stuff as we come along here today. And don't know where I'm going to sign out yet. I might just push it a little bit and go up Talbot Road. I'm back on 8 mile an hour now because I'm on the road. So it's Saturday. I'll sign off here. Hi, ma'am. So I'm going to flick round. So it's Saturday, folks. Saturday afternoon. We've got Pisshead John Lyons ahead of me, so I'm filming backwards. I'm outside Mark Kelly's, and it's been a little jaunt round. Saturday morning, and it's just broken into afternoon a bit. As I say, hopefully this will go out tomorrow morning at 10 o'clock. So for now, it's Spiceheads Media. Keep safe, everybody. Bye bye. So stay safe, everybody. That's Steve, Spiceheads Media.